Got some deer, some sort of deer. Could be pronghorn or not close enough for me to see what quite they are. But they also could be elk. They have white butts. There's quite a few of them out there. A lot of them are behind trees. You can't really see them right now. Hoping they work their way into camp. There's a side-by-side coming, so they may get spooked. This one here is pretty close to the road. Down for him though. One that doesn't seem too concerned about him. Now they're running. Except for him. He's telling the others are running. He's telling the others, or she, no biggie. What they are from here. Oh, now they're running. Not far. They don't really seem too afraid of humans. They see from here they look like pronghorn. But then when they turn around, they look like elk. Let's see. Yeah, I think they're pronghorn. They don't really seem too concerned about humans. Comes another car, but now they're working their way back towards the way they come. Maybe not. But it did make them turn around, it seems. I think those are elk. I'm not right there. I'm not gonna go out there and spook them. I'm gonna enjoy their meal. He's over here though. I'm kind of curious where they went. There was about 5 of them over here. Might have been more. That white car that drove by was sitting right down there watching them too. Let's see what that does. Things you see in camp. We've had pronghorn, we've had elk, well not in camp, but by camp. I think I seen a mule deer the other day way in the back behind us. But he was kind of far away, so I can't really say what it was. Then we had a herd of pronghorn, a small herd, about 7, 8 that we seen go through that edge of that pasture that I showed you. It's out there enjoying their lunch. This right here makes it all worth it. The wildlife you see, you just can't beat it. I wish those guys would come back. They're heading over in the direction that they were. They're about to, let's see, 1, I see 4 right there. They're about to come out in the open out here in the sun. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 6. There's another one just entering the picture. I believe he might be, or she, I'm not sure. Might be the last one. I don't see any more over there in the direction that they came. Oops, now they're in the trees. Yeah, those are elk. They're a little closer now. Oh, there goes one running. Ooh, I wonder if they're going to come out here. They may just come out here in this little opening. If so, we'll be able to see them really good. Oops, right there. Stay on them. Apparently there are 2 different groups of them. Oh no, here comes one way back here. There's 7 then. I think. So I already counted him. Or her. I do not see any more back there. Here comes number 5. And there's number 6, so apparently there's only 6. And now they're kind of working their way away from us. Well, if they happen to get closer, we'll video them again. There comes one. Hey, wait for me. Pretty awesome. All right, let's let them be. If they get any closer, I'll video them again.